Hey friends, TUXX here. This is a viewer requested video. People asked about the Surfans F20, which is still one of my favorite players. I have a lot of different players, but Surfans is definitely one of my favorites, and you can see I've done a number of videos on these. But one thing which people seem to be having a problem with sometimes is the actual EQ. Like, how do I set the EQ in this? So let me dim the lights here slightly, and I'm going to show you step by step. Okay, so I dim the lights here into the foreground so that way you can kind of see the screen a little bit better and what I'm talking about. The Surfan has a number of buttons, as you can see right here on the front. When you actually have a song pulled up or whatever, you can go ahead and hit this button over here. It's going to pull up a side menu over here on the side. So we're going to hit that button, and you can see there's a side menu. And then from there, we have things like favorites. We have, oh, I have to hit it again. If you don't turn it, it does go off play mode. And then right down here, the third one down is EQ. Okay, so you see a little EQ, third one down from the top. We're going to hit that, and then from there is actually the different EQ. Now from the base screen here, you can see this is the custom one, but just to give you an idea in case yours looks different, it might be set on one of these other things like blues or vocal or dance. And you can see whenever you turn the different thing to like pop or jazz, like it changes the EQ setting for a preset EQ or off even, okay? But the one that people seem to be having a problem with is how do you set the custom EQ, okay? So the custom EQ is actually the one which is right here, okay? The way you do that is you hit the inside button here, this button right here on the side of the circle. We're going to hit that, and you can see it's going to go ahead and allow us to do one of the buttons, okay? So this is like the far left one. You can see I'm taking it up, I'm taking it down. See where that's going up and down? Okay, so we're going to set that one. I like it right around there, so we're going to hit that one there, and then from there you can go over to the next one. Oh, I went over too far actually, so let me scroll back here. There we go. We're going to pull that one up just a little bit. Then we're going to hit it again. Oh, no, I don't want that one. Let's go back. There we go. This one, we'll keep right about there. Next one, let's see. Oh, I went too far. It's easy to overshoot. It's a little hard to do here on camera. But you can see how basically I'm taking these and adjusting. Oh, there we go. Just one click of the mouse wheel. You kind of feel the tactile feedback as you turn. So I'm going to do one little click, and now I'll go to the next one. There we go, and then we're going to kind of go up a little bit. We're going to do one more here. Then we're going to go up a little bit. We're going to do another click, go up a little bit, and you can see that is how you set the EQ itself to your custom setting, however you like it. And I'd recommend like listening to a song that you really enjoy, a song you know well, and you know how it should sound. And from there, you can kind of set the EQ the way that you like it, and that works really good for you, okay? So there we go. So we kind of set the EQ to a different setting that's a little bit different than pop and all the other ones. And from that point, you can go ahead and just listen to your favorite music, you know. And that's the set is the custom EQ. Now, I believe if we actually change it here, if I go to something besides custom, we can hit back. Okay, and then we can switch to off or rock or whatever. But you can see here, if I go back to jazz, it has all these presets exactly where they want them. But if we go back to custom, you can see that is saved to my exact custom EQ that I had shown before. So anyway, guys, that is how you do it. Very, very simple. Then you can just hit the back button, which the back button is this one right here. We're going to hit back, okay. And then it goes back to our song, which in this case I'm playing David Bowie. So there you have it, guys. I hope that explains it for you. If you have any more questions about the Surfans, you know I'm here to help, okay? I'm reviewing these. I listen to a lot of music, and this is still one of my favorite players. I will have a link for this player right below, so be sure and click the link to get yours at the very best price. So if you guys have any question about Surfans, let me know in the comments below or shoot me an instant message. You can see this unit has some scrapes and little scratches on it. It really gets a lot of use, actually. So I may have to pick up another one. One Surfans fan did tell me that the new ones are shipping with USB-C as opposed to micro USB. So that's kind of a nice touch for the newer models. Beautiful looking unit. I love the artistic design of it. And it definitely has very functional things in mind as far as if you're driving, if you're walking, jogging, biking, scootering, playing music in the gym, whatever. It's very easy to get around, so very good. All right, friends, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, click the link down below for the best price, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.